How should I deal with eating at work, traveling, and other social situations? So with time, you'll get the hang of it. Planning will really help, and always carry keto snacks and be confident in your choices. Guys, social situations are probably the hardest part of any diet, since family members and friends and colleagues sometimes don't understand our new strange food choices and encourage us to eat the wrong type of food, often with a dose of emotional blackmail. So you can try to just politely explain what you're doing and why, and if people are open to it, maybe educate them further. But if some people aren't receptive, just let it go. It's your choice, and in time, they will see how you are thriving. Also, leading by example is often the best way to change minds. How you feel about yourself and your health is the most important factor, and others who are taking less responsibility for their health will naturally want to bring you down to their level. So if you tell people you are doing this to help yourself feel physically and mentally healthier, they will understand, but maybe not immediately, especially if they are overweight or unhealthy themselves.